Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the wig that I'm currently wearing on my head. So just in case you're interested, just keep on watching this video. But the wig I am wearing was sent to me from Nadula Hair, and I'm going to go ahead and leave all the links in my description box just in case you want to purchase this wig. Okay, but this is what the wig came in. This is the packaging. Okay, moving along to what the wig looks like straight out of the packaging. This is what we're working with, y'all. It comes with 2 combs in the front, which I normally cut those combs out to make the wig just lay more flat. It has a comb in the back and adjustable straps. Now this is your normal 13x6 lace front wig. They also give you, did I already say they give you lace in the back? I don't know. But this is what the parting looks like, and it is that set middle part. Now the lace to me just seemed regular. Like I said, all the details will be listed in my description box for like specs on this wig if I'm missing anything. But this is what it looks like on, and the knots was not bleached, and I think the hairline was pre-plucked. Later on, when I applied this wig the second time, I did go in and pluck my part because I wanted a side part. Now, if you plan on wearing this wig straight out the packaging with the middle part or with the center part, then I feel like you can get away with not plucking the hairline. But if you're going to wear it as a side part, to me, I just feel like it needs to be plucked. Also, I did go in with my lace tint, and I'll leave all the details to what kind of lace tint I used in my description box, but I did pick it up from my local beauty supply store. I can't remember what's the name or what brand it is, but like I said, just look in my description box for the name or the brand of the lace tint. So now right here, I'm just molding the hair so I can wear my part on the side. And it's kind of harder to manipulate the hair straight out of the packaging when you don't wash it versus when you wash it. I just feel like when you wash the hair, it's just more easier to manipulate as far as like parting it and things like that. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. Now right here, I'm just going in with my wax stick because as you can see, it was a lot of flyaways by my part. So we need to tame those. So that's what I'm doing right here, just taking this little wax stick. And you can pick this up from your local beauty supply store or even order it on Amazon. But I highly suggest a wax stick because it just makes life a lot easier. So I actually ran out of time when I was trying to apply my wig. Obviously this is the next day, but we just want to continue here. So what I did was part the wig where I wanted it to be, you know, where I wanted my part to be. And I also used my, sorry it's in the bathroom, but I used my Got To Be Glued hairspray just to take down my lace. So now that's where we at. And I'm just using this elastic band to like melt my lace in the front. So it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Woo. All right, sis, let's get into my favorite part, which is the baby hairs. Now, if you're not into baby hairs, then you can just skip this step. But me, girl, I gotta have my baby hairs, okay? So I'm going in and just cutting in some baby hairs where I want them to be. And I'm taking my mousse and just molding it and styling my baby hairs how I would normally style them. Y'all see me though? Like I really be into fixing my baby hairs. That's like one of my favorite parts about applying my wig. It's all in the wrist, okay? Like it's all in the wrist. But it doesn't stop there. Of course, I have to add another piece right there. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. But yeah, like I love me some baby hairs. You can't tell me nothing, okay? Write down in the comment section if you love your baby hairs. Like, I think that it just makes my wig, like, it brings my wig together. Like, it is a finishing touch. It has to be done. After I get my baby hairs how I like them, I go back in with my silk scarf and I just tie that up and leave it on for about 5 minutes just so it can like all soak in and just lay real good. Okay, y'all. So I'm just putting this out here. I'm not a cosmetologist. I'm not a professional. I am going in and cutting layers. Now, if you are a professional and this is like real cringy to you, I do apologize. Like, if it's triggering something in your soul, I'm so sorry. But like I said, I'm not a professional. I just do what works for me. And this is how I cut my layers. Okay? Okay. So yeah, I am cutting layers and what I do, it works for me and my shit be stacked, okay? So don't come for me in the comment sections like, girl, that's not how you cut layers because girl, it's how I cut layers. But that's what I'm doing. And honestly, y'all, like truly it really works for me and I have not had a problem with doing it this way. But on another note, this hair is actually really nice as far as the quality of this hair. Now, keep in mind, I did not wash this hair yet, y'all. But speaking on how it came straight out of the packaging and how it's operating, it's really nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and take off this scarf so I can see what these edges is looking like. And girl, they look good, okay? So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start curling this hair and y'all gonna see how these layers just change the game, okay? So I'm taking my burl curler. I forgot what, I think it's babyless. Yeah, babyless burl curler. I can't remember the sides. If I do remember, I'll leave it in my description box just in case you guys are interested in this curler. But I'm just taking that and curling like each section under. Okay, y'all, so this is where I messed up at. Originally, I wanted to wear like a side part bob and just wear it straight. But then last minute, I changed my mind and I wanted to cut layers in it, which I did, and curl it. Now, the thing about that is the wax stick, like I feel like the top should be a little bit more flowy and the wax stick just made it stiff where the part is. Now that would have been a look if I was planning on wearing it straight, which I originally was, so I didn't really care about using a wax stick. But now that it's curled, like I just don't like the way the top is because I feel like it should be some flowage going on right there and it's really not. It's just like stuck. You guys will see once I start brushing it out what I'm talking about. All right, so y'all see what I'm talking about? Like right there, where I use the wax stick close to the part and in the front, how it's not really flowing. It's just like stuck like that. It's still cute. It's still a look, but when I wash this hair, it's just gonna flow so much better when I recurl it. See right there? Look at all that bounce. Now right here, I'm showing you what the wig looked like straightened again, and I freaking love it. Then I'm like, hold up, is my back even? But it is. So I actually did a really good job. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the links will be listed in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video.